Assalamualaikum and greetings. We are from Group 2, Class Bmmd, Section 1/2. Our group members consist of 4 members, Muhammad HAFIZI bin HALIM, Muhammad Amzar bin NOOR, Nur Aisyah binti NORAZMI, and me myself, LIYANA SYAHIRAH binti RAZAK. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. It refers to either the automated specialized machinery, also known as machining centers, that can remove material from a stock piece, also known as a workpiece or blank, or the service that conducts such machining processes. CNC machining is a subtractive manufacturing method in which material is removed as needed to make the desired product using cutting tools. For our project, we have chosen turning process to produce our solid bottle opener with length of 131mm and diameter of 30mm. A bottle opener is a device that enables the removal of metal bottle caps from glass bottles.
Next, for the methodology part, before the machining process, we do the facing process by using conventional lathe machine. This is the actual picture of our product, which is solid bottle opener. So first, we use the SolidWorks program to produce a 3D model of a solid bottle opener as well as a 3D sketch. And then, we using the Sinutrim program to construct the code and run the simulation. After that, we transfer the code to the CNC machine and then configure it to the machine's output, and finally we run the machine to obtain the final product. There are 3 types of tools that we use for this machining process, which is roughing tool, finishing tool, and also plunge tool. For our ISO programming, we start from the header, which is G90, G95, G18 and G54. And before we start the process, we need to set the cutting tool, which is we use roughing tools for roughing and put M6 for tools change. And then the spindle speed is 1200 revolution per minute and M4 for spindle to move anti-clockwise. And for our safety position, we put X100 and Z100. Then G00 for rapid transverse motion. We changed to a few tools during roughing, and for counter, it will be placed at the end of the program with the counter cycle and also counter call. And lastly, for the finishing, we changed to finishing tools and then put the spindle speed and then insert the coding for finishing process, and lastly, we put the tools back to its safety position so it's not going to collide with the workpiece, and we put M30 to end the program.
Okay, now this is the coding for our mini project, the bottle opener. Okay, let's run the simulation. Okay, as you can see right here, this is the first part. We're using a rough tool. And then we're using the plunge tools. And the finishing, we're using the finishing tools. So this is our simulation result for our product. As you can see right here, this is the actual result for our mini project bottle opener that we got from turning CNC machine.
Now I will discuss about the discussion of our product, which is the bottle opener. From the product that we already mentioning, we only focus on 3 discussion, which is the first one is the feed rate and the speed of the spindle. As you can see the explanation on the slide, we explain about the problem from the feed rate and the speed that we can found on the process machining. The second one is clamping. In this discussion, we explain on how the method on how to clamp the workpiece correctly. And the last one is chip removal. There are some type of chip removal that you can see, which is in the slide of the figure A and also figure B. So the figure B is more better for chip removal for our machining process. That's all for me. Thank you.